Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to create loan amortization schedule easily on an Excel template. You can create on your own, or you can use this template to easily get a loan amortization schedule. All you have to do is write down the necessary inputs, and the table in this section will automatically form the details of your payments. So, the total loan amount is the money that you want to borrow. Then write down the annual interest rate for the money. Write down the first payment date and then choose the payment frequency from the drop-down list. Write down the loan duration in months. And then if you do have a balloon payment, write that down as well. Once you input the necessary data into this section, your table will be formed in here automatically. You will be able to see the payment due date, the principal, interest, total installment, outstanding loan, and also the ratio of capital outstanding as well. You can also see the easy outputs in this section. You can see the monthly installment, total interest paid, total principal plus interest paid, and also the total number of payments in this section as well. You can also check the graphs for the loan as well, the total principal and interest, and also principal versus interest distribution. Once you choose or edit any input into this section, the chart will adjust itself automatically. I hope this video was informative enough, and thanks for watching.